China's latest move to tighten control over its rare earth exports is raising alarms far beyond the global tech and manufacturing sectors, with analysts and former U.S. officials warning that the decision marks a significant escalation in the strategic competition between Beijing and the West. On Thursday, China's Ministry of Commerce announced that starting December 1st, foreign companies will need special license to export any product that contains more than zero point 0.1 rare earth element sourced from China or that uses Chinese rare earth processing technologies. The sweeping new regulation effectively broadens Beijing's influence not only over raw material exports but also over finished goods produced globally using Chinese intellectual properties or resources. This move is being viewed not simply as a trade policy adjustment, but as a calculated geopolitical maneuver. This goes well beyond limiting access to a critical input, said a former White House advisor familiar with US China technology policies. He said it's about setting the rules for who gets to compete in future industries, everything from electric vehicles to defense technologies. Rare earth elements, a group of seven metallic elements, are essential components in a wide range of high tech applications, including batteries, smartphones, wind turbines, and military hardware. While rare earths are found in several countries, China dominates global processing capacity and controls more than 85% of refined rare earth output. The new rules include and introduce a major complication for multinational companies that rely on Chinese rare earth in their supply chains, particularly those in the electronics, automotive, and aerospace sectors. Industry analysts warn that the licenses regime could increase compliance burden, introduce delays, and create uncertainty around long-term sourcing. The fact that the regulation also applies to products manufactured outside China using Chinese origin technology or materials significantly extends Belgian regulatory reach. Beijing has framed the move as necessary for national security and environmental protection. However, it comes at a time of growing technological decoupling between China and Western nations, especially the United States, which has introduced its own export controls on semiconductor technology and AI related tools. The new Chinese rules are widely intercepted as a form of counter leverage and a warning that China retains powerful tools to influence global tech supply chains. Governments and multinational corporations are now scrambling to assess the implications of the new rules. As the December deadline approaches, pressure is building on policymakers in Washington, Brussels, and Tokyo to accelerate efforts to diversify rare earth supply chains and reduce dependency on China's strategic minerals.